Are you trying to find sustainable tips that will help you to achieve your fat loss goals? If your answer is yes, this video is for you. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Belkys Barrios and this channel is about sharing fitness educational content by sharing tips, tricks and ideas that will help you to build a sustainable, healthy lifestyle. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you like it. Please be free to subscribe to my channel if you're interested in fitness educational content, if you're interested in fitness blog, workout blogs, everything related with the fitness industry. You can find it in this channel. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you like it. And for all my people that already follow me, thank you so much for your support and I really appreciate it. So let's get into the video. The main goal of today's video is to really share with you some tips that are very easy to implement in your daily tasks if you're trying or if your goal is to lose body fat. But there are many factors that will contribute to achieve your fat loss goals. There are many factors such as your physical activity, your type of body, the gender you are, your age, your hormones, your metabolism. So there are many factors that contribute to really will give you the results you're looking for. But in this video, I will provide you 6 tips that you can really put into practice in your daily activities to achieve your goals. They are very easy and really can guide you to start building those habits that really will improve your health and as well achieve your fat. So the first tip is control your portions. Yes, it's very important that you control your portions. We have this mentality that we normally think just because it has the word healthy on front, we think that we can consume all we want to, but that's not the case. Everything is good after a certain amount. If you're over consuming, that thing can become something bad. As for example, we have that chicken breast. The chicken breast is a very good protein source. It can really regulate your insulin levels. It can really fill you up and sustain you for longer. You don't have more hunger. Also, what else? It's a very good to regenerate and construct your muscle mass. But just because it's good, it's healthy, doesn't mean you're going to be eating 2 kilos of chicken breast in every meal during the day. Then it comes the bad thing about it. All is about balance and moderation. And for this, I will be giving you and share with you a tool that is very good to give us an idea what is the amount of each macronutrients that we need to consume in our plate. This is a very example that we use our hand. As for example, the whole hand open is the amount of protein that you have to be in your plate. When you close your hands, this is the amount of carbohydrates you will be consuming in your plate. Thumb is the amount of fats you will be consuming. And of course, this amount of salads and veggies that you can consume in your plate. Salads and veggies, you really don't need to measure them so much because they are very low in calorie. You can consume all you want to because they have a lot of nutrients that we can use. So don't be scared to consume a bunch of salads and a bunch of veggies. That's very good. The only thing that if you're consuming salad all the time, be careful with the dressings. The dressings are very high in calories. Therefore, you can be over consuming calories there. Just 1 tablespoon of olive oil, just a tablespoon of olive oil is 140 calories. So you really have to be very cautious on the amount of dressing you will be using in your salads. If you want to see a video in my channel and me teaching you how to make healthy and low calorie dressings, homemade, let me know in the comments so I can really work on it and bring it for you so you can have more ideas to be able to make alternatives at the moment to eat. Tip number 2, make a priority sleeping. Try to sleep 7 to 8 hours per night. Sleeping is just as important as what you're eating, exercise you're making. That's very important. Why? Because if you're not giving your body the enough rest time, I talk too much with my hands, so I'm sorry about that. If you don't give your body the enough rest time that it needs, you're putting your body into a big stress, provoking the increased amount of cortisol, that is the stress hormone. When this hormone is so high, it really tends to make us eat a lot. So when the stress hormone is very high during your days, you will be having more hunger, you will be more tired, you will be grumpy probably, as well you will get more slower your metabolism because you're not giving your body the proper rest that it needs. That's why it's important to always take into consideration for any type of goal that you have. If your goal is to build muscle mass, if your goal is to have fat loss, if you want to maintain it, it's important to always prioritize your sleep, recovering time. Make sure to always sleep 7 to 8 hours, and as well, if you have problems that I know is quite difficult nowadays with your phone, I have the same issue, that it's hard to fall asleep early, or at least not distracting myself while sleeping. So what I can recommend you is that try to 1 or 2 hours before going to sleep, make your room environment adequate for the moment you're going to sleep. Make it calm, turn off the lights, put the lights low, close the windows, put yourself on the other side of the room, as for example, so you can avoid distractions. But you really need to take into consideration the importance of rest and sleeping. Tip number 3, train to lose body fat. By this I mean that once you have finished your workout session, you need to really leave your body with the hormonal environment to create lipolysis. When it starts to produce a lot of growth hormones, a lot of steroids, a lot of insulin, and really make them work towards to really start moving the fat around your body and start using it as fuel. The way how you can achieve this result in your body is by incorporating resistance training into your workout sessions. Train heavy with intensity, that you really are working out with the proper form in the proper amount of time, but with a lot of intensity. But women, if you think that you're going to become big because you're lifting weight, far away from that. Actually, the only reason why you can get bigger if you're lifting weight is because you probably are increasing your calorie intake and not doing cardiovascular exercise incorporating with your resistance training. So that can be a big reason why you can get big. But more or less, if you're incorporating cardiovascular exercise and with your resistance training and with the proper diet, believe me, you're not going to get big at all. You know you can burn calories for up to 72 hours after your intense workout session, so don't be scared to try to incorporate really intense workout sessions into your workout routine, because you're really going to be burning a lot of fat if you do it. Tip number 4, incorporate compound movements into your workout sessions. What are compound movements? Compound movements are exercises that target multiple muscles at the same time. As for example, the shoulder press, the squat, what other one? The deadlifting, the hip thrust. Those are movements that really work multiple muscles at the same time. What it will happen when you're incorporating compound movements into your workout session, your body will really release more hormones that will stimulate the fat burning process. So don't doubt to incorporate those movements into your workout session, because first of all, they are very effective, and it's good that you have a very good base on compound movements. Tip number 5, avoid a sedentary life. By this, I mean you need to move your body. You don't need to go to the gym to be able to have an effective workout session if you're not the type of person that you'd like to go to gym. I do understand that. But you need to move. By this I mean that instead of going to the car to the work, you can go by walking, you can go by bicycle, you can go take the stairs as for example. You can do your home duties, go do the garden, walk the dog. All these actions are making your body move, and that is the important thing, that you are moving yourself every day. How they say that sedentary life is the new cigarette from today, because we're really avoiding not to move enough. You can buy those step watches that you can put yourself a goal that you're going to make 10,000 steps today, for example. Or you can put your goal, you're going to do 5,000 steps today. But the important is that you always need to move your body. Having a sedentary life can really take your health into the wrong path. You can lose body fat without going to the gym and exercise, but you just taking care of your intake of calories, eating whole foods that are nutritious to your body, and as well moving yourself more, you will able to achieve your goal. The only method, the way that you can lower your body fat is by calories in and calories out. If you really are just calories in, you're not expending those calories, they will accumulate in your body as an excess of fat. So that's why it's important to always move yourself. And the last one, number 6, maximize, avoid, or reduce your consumption of processed food. What I mean by processed food, I mean food that is very easy to go to the shop and buy it. Burgers, junk food in general, burgers, pizza, I don't know, Kentucky Fried Chicken, that I really miss to eat that a lot. So those kind of foods are the ones that you really need to lower the consumption. I am not saying that you should eliminate them, because you and me and you know, both of us know that they're delicious. So it's quite hard to say you're going to eliminate them. But what you can do is trying to find more healthier alternatives. You can make them at home if you want to, or you just don't consume them every day. Just moderate your consumption. Try to apply this rule 80-20% rule. That 80% of the time you'll be eating whole food, eating healthy, eating food from home, and 20% of the time you're going to eat whatever you want to. By applying this rule, you're not going to feel that pressure that all the time eat healthy. I mean, you need a lot of determination and dedication to achieve that mentality. So, but if you're a normal person that's just looking to look good, not so ripped, you're not looking to be so defined, have abs, you're just looking to be healthy, try to apply that 80% and 20% rule, because that will be very, very good for your lifestyle as well, and for you to achieve your goals. So avoid to consume them every day. You can, from 5 days a week, you can consume them 1 or 2 times per week. It's fine. But remember, always balance and moderation. The extremes are not good. Find something between that really will stick with you in the long run, and you will be able to maintain it, because that's the key. Building habits that you can maintain in the long run, not for a short period of time. So basically, these are all the tips that I have to share with you regarding how you can lose body fat in a very sustainable way. I really hope that you like this video. Please leave your comment below. Let me know which part you like more, or what else you would like to see in my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next week, probably Thursday or Sunday. I'm not sure, but I will be uploading every week a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe, and see you in the next one.